Hello everybody, welcome to Salsal Academy. I'm Ali Awari as your mathematics instructor. Today we are going to work out or calculate the exercise 2 from the Excel box Pearson company. So let's start this exercise. We come to question number 1. In question number 1, you should simplify this question. How we can simplify? To simplify, we have two options or two choices. You can first multiply both 3 by 5 because it is denominators 1. First, we can multiply 3 times of 5 is 15, and 1 times of 18 is 18. Now we can simplify. So here we have 2 methods for calculating of this fraction. First, you can directly simplify 1 times of 3 and 6 times of 3 is 18. So 1 multiplied by 5 gives us 5 over 6. This is the answer. Also, you can use the second method that I calculate here. You can write that 5 over 18 multiplied by 3, because 3 doesn't have a denominator, its denominator is 1. This number doesn't have denominator, actually its denominator is 1. So here you also can first multiply 3 times of 5 is 15 and 1 times of 18 is 18. Now you can simplify or divide both the numerator and denominator by 3. 5 times of 3 is 15 and 6 times of 3 is 18. So the final answer 5 over 6. Okay, and we come to question number 2 here. Question number 2, you can simplify 1 times of 4 and 2 times of 4 is 8. Then we simplify 1 times of 3 is 3 and 5 times of 2 is 10. This is the final answer. Come to question number 3 here. In question number 3, first we should convert the mixed fraction to improper. 1 times of 4 is 4 plus 3 is 7. It's 7 over 4 multiplied by 4 over 7. Now we can simplify directly 1 times of 4 and 1 times of 4. Here 1 times of 7, 1 times of 7, and now multiply numerator by numerator. 1 times of 1 is 1 and 1 times of 1 is 1. 1 divided by 1 exactly. The answer is 1. Come to question number 4. In question number 4, first we convert to improper fraction. 1 times of 3 is 3 plus 1 4 over 3. Multiplied by 1 times of 2 is 2 plus 1, we have 3 over 2. Now we can simplify. 1 times of 3 is 1 times of 2 is 3, 1 times of 2 is and 2 times of 2 is 4. Then we multiply 2 times of 1 is 2, 1 times of 1 is 1. When the denominator is 1, we typically don't write, just the answer is only 2. Come to question number 5. In question number 5, here we have decimal fraction. First we convert to fraction. We write here 8 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 16. Now we can simplify. 1 times of 8 is 8, 2 times of 8 is 16, and here 1 times of 5 is 5, 2 times of 5 is 10. Then we multiply numerator by numerator. 1 times of 1 is 1 and 2 times of 2 is 4. So the answer is 1 of 4. 1 over 4 or 1 of 4th. Come to question number 6. In question number 6, we write 8 over 9 and the first fraction as itself, and the second fraction we first convert to instead of decimal fraction we convert to fraction. We write here 75 over 100. Then we can simplify. For example, here we can simplify. 3 times of 3 is 9, 2 times of 3 is 6, and we have 1. 5 times of 3 is 15. And also we can simplify here. 4 2 times of 4 is 8, 2 times of 4 is 8, and 5 times of 4 is 20. Now we can simplify 20 by 25 by 25, so the answer is 2 over 3. This is the final answer of question number 6. Come to question number 7. In question number 7, here we can directly simplify. You can simplify 1 times of 5, 1 times of 5, and also here 1 times of 3 is 3, 2 times of 3 is 6, 1 times of 2 is 2, 1 times of 2 is 2. Now we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominators. 1 times of 1 is 1, and 1 times of 7 multiplied by 1 give us 7. So the answer is 1 over 7. Come to question number 8. In question number 8 we have 3 over 7 multiplied by 5 over 6 multiplied by 1 times of 9 is 9 plus 5 we have 14, 14 over 9 multiplied by 1 times of 15, 15 plus 3 we have 18, 18 over 15. Now we simplify. In multiplication you can cancel or simplify any numerator with any denominator. They have common factor. So here we can simplify directly. For example, 1 times of 3 is 3, 2 times of 3 is 6. Also here 1 times of 9 is 9, 2 times of 9 is 18. The same here, 1 times of 2 is 2, 1 times of 2 is 2. 1 times of 5 is 5, 3 times of 5 is 15. The same here, 1 times of 7 is 7, 2 times of 7 is 14. As we think there is no any number to be simplified, so we multiply. 1 times of 1 is 1 times of 2, 2 multiplied by 1 give us 2. And in denominator 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1, 1 times of 3 is 3. So the final answer is 2 over 3. Come to question number 9. In number 9 there is a word problem that depends to fraction, how we can simplify or solve. Pay attention. The question said that 37 of the songs in release music's library are rock songs. Of the rock songs, 7/9 feature a guitar solo. What fraction of the songs in release music library or wrong songs feature a guitar solo? So pay attention here. We have just the first one here. We have 3/7. We write here 3 over 7 or 37 of the song is release music. This actually in total music, if divided to 7 parts, 3 parts actually are rock music, rock song. Of the rock songs, 7/9 feature a guitar solo. From the rock songs, actually here we have 7/9. This is the guitar solo. Now we simplify this one. We can simplify 1 times of 7 is 7, and also 1 times of 7, 1 times of 3, 3 times of 3, 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 3. So it means 1 of third, or 1 over 3 of the total song in this library are guitar solo. It means they have the properties of rock and guitar at the same times. So there we just multiply these two fractions. Here we had for the second one 7/9. We multiply. This one the solution of question number 9, and come to question number 10. In question number 10 we have Imogen was doing her music practice for 1/4 of 1 hour. So here Imogen was doing practice for 1/4, that means 1/4 hour. For 2/3 we multiply by 2/3, 2/3. 2/3 of that times she was practicing her skills. For what fraction of an hour did she had practiced her skill? Here we simplify. 1 times of 2 and 2 times of 2 is 4. 1 multiplied by 1 and 2 times of 3 is 6. 1/3. Actually the fraction that Imogen was doing her music and practicing her skills the same times. So this part finished. Thank you for watching. Please like my video and write a beautiful comment to support my channel, and we grow together.